Hello students, today we will discuss the laws of exponents of chapter 4 exponents and powers. First law is multiplying powers with same base. Multiplying powers with same base. When there are two exponential forms and we have to multiply these exponential forms and their bases are same. If their bases are same, then their exponents will be added. If bases are same, then we will add their exponents. Like it is written that a power m multiply a power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. This is a general form of first law. A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. And this is example which is related to this law. Minus 6 raised to power 3 multiply minus 6 raised to power 10. Then it will be equal to minus 6 raised to power 3 plus 10. Because bases are same, so we will add powers. Then it will be equal to minus 6 raised to power 3 plus 10 is 13. So this is the answer in exponential form. Next law is dividing powers with same base. Now this is dividing powers with same base. Now there is division. In the first law we have used here multiplication, and in this law there is division. When there is division, then we will always subtract the powers if their bases are same. This is necessary that bases should be same, and if there is division, then we will subtract the powers. A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. This is general form of second law. Here is an example. 7 raised to power 5 divided by 7 raised to power 3. 7 raised to power 5 divided by 7 raised to power 3. Here bases are 7 and there is division, so subtract the powers. Then it will be equal to 7 raised to power 5 minus 3, and it will be equal to 7 raised to power 2. So this is answer. Next is numbers with exponent 0. Numbers with exponent 0. Actually this is not a law. This is only a note. Numbers with exponent 0. If any number has exponent 0, then it will always be equal to 1. Remember, if exponent is 0, then the number will be equal to 1. That is, if I am writing 2 raised to power 0, then it is equal to 1. Its value will be 1. For example, 7 raised to power 4 divided by 7 raised to power 4. Here bases are same. Then subtract the powers. Then it will be equal to 7 raised to power 4 minus 4. Then this is equal to 7 raised to power 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So it will be 7 raised to power 0. And here exponent is 0. So answer will be 1. Next example is 1 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 0. Then this is equal to 1 raised to power 0 is 1. Then 2 raised to power 0 is also 1. And 3 raised to power 0 is also 1. And there is addition among these. So write addition sign. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Answer is 3. In the next example, 1 raised to power 0 multiply 2 raised to power 0 multiply 3 raised to power 0. And it is equal to 1 multiply 1 because any number has power 0, it will be equal to 1. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. Answer is 1. Next law is third law. Finding power of a power. finding power of a power. If any number has a power and there is one more power of this number, that is there are two powers of one number. Like in this box I am written a power m power n. A has two powers which is m and n. So multiply these powers. Always multiply these powers, a power m multiply n. This is the general form of third law. Then there is example which is related to this law. 6 raised to power 2 raised to power 3. Here base is 6 and there are two powers of 6, 2 and 3. So multiply these powers. We get 6 raised to power 2 multiply 3. 6 raised to power 2 multiply 3 and the answer will be 6 raised to power 6. Then fourth law is finding power of a power of a product of rational numbers. Finding power of a product of rational numbers. Here is AB power m. AB power m is equal to a power m multiply b power m. Here I have written AB. AB means a multiply b. If there is no sign between two numbers, then it is multiplication sign. Then it will be multiplication sign. So multiplication of any two numbers has same power m. There is power m. Then it will be equal to a power m multiply b power m. Then we will separate these powers and these bases. A power m multiply b power m. This is general form. For example, 3 multiply 4 raised to power 2 and it will be equal to 3 raised to power 2 multiply 4 raised to power 2. Next example is minus 5x raised to power 3. Here are two numbers minus 5 and x has same power 3. So write it minus 5 raised to power 3 multiply x power 3. The next law is finding power of a quotient. Finding power of a quotient. This is same as fourth law. Only difference is in the fourth law there was multiplication and in the fifth law here is division. In the fourth law there was multiplication and in the fifth law we will use division. A divided by b raised to power m will be equal to a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. We will separate the powers for numerator and denominator. An example is minus 3 by 4 raised to power 3 and it will be equal to minus 3 raised to power 3 and over 4 raised to power 3. Thanks.